Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. So guys, when you want to open your cellular data, means mobile data, and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back and guys open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys after doing this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys click on reset, and here is the option reset network settings. And guys after doing this, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode, and guys after doing this your network settings will be reset on your iPhone, and guys after doing this your problem will be fixed. And guys, this second method is you need to click on here is the option of software update. So guys, simply you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using less iOS version, mean 14, 15 or 16, then guys simply you need to update your iPhone to latest version iOS 17.1. So guys, simply you need to click on update now, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.